What's going on, guys? Dysfunctional garage here in an empty garage finally. Yeah, garage is empty so I can do what I'm about to do. We are going to make it brighter in here. It kind of looks bright in here, but it's not really bright because that light is what's currently on. So we are going to install, well, not the cars, but these here. These are the same lights that I put two up in my shop, and they're bright as hell. And we're gonna make it a lot brighter in here so we can see when we're working and doing things. So, I'm gonna run an 8-foot here, an 8-foot there. We can't do an 8-foot there because of the garage door opener. So I'm gonna take that little 3-foot and put it there. And then we'll do another 8-foot, 8-foot, and then 8-foot because some dumb built this house did not put a light over in that corner. So yeah. So what we're gonna do, obviously this is gonna be hardwired in. And we're going to be using these little ends. And where'd I put the bag? I'm really dysfunctional today. So we're taking these little can lights out. We're gonna put these covers over them to cover up the holes, but we're gonna also drill a hole into this to pass our wire through to power our lights. So, because I can draw perfectly in a straight line standing on the ceiling or up on the ceiling, we got our Mr. Laser. So, I am going to get it set up to shoot a beam between all these lights so I get a nice straight line to put my screws in for the brackets that'll hold these up. So let's do that. Got my laser line pretty well lined up. And step number 3. Take a little drink. Moscow Mule. You get old Marvin Heemeyer machine. So now, gonna take these lights off. So you can see I already did one, just to make sure my plates would fit, because they have like 4 different sizes at the Home Depot. So now, as you can see, I've drilled a hole, stuck this through. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, hook the colors up together, put the wire nut on them, run this up, and plug it in. So that should be pretty self-explanable. Here's all the hardware you get right here. So each light gets 2 clamps, and I've already got screws in there as well, which I actually may put in drywall anchor. I'm not sure. More than likely slap a drywall anchor in there so it should be a little more secure. And yeah, all the way plumb to there. So goal is to get all these screwed in, then move my laser to that side, do the same. That way I can get the laser out of here. That way the kid don't hit it again, because that was fun. So yeah. Go get some drywall anchors, and yeah, let's go. Got our holes drilled. Now I went ahead and put in anchors. We'll put our brackets up, toss our light up. Then we still got to drill out our covers for this. That one's just going to be a blank cover. And yeah. One thing I will go ahead and say, when you get these in, what I find best is go ahead and run another screw, a Phillips head, through that to kind of thread it. Make it a lot easier for that flathead to go in. All right, so since we got to get a light strip over there, and I'm not using that one because I don't want it to be off camber, I want it to be in a straight line. This one's going to have two come out of it. So what I went ahead and did is I drilled 2 holes in it. So hopefully it would line up like this, but probably not. So I got all my holes drilled in all the others. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That one will not be getting a line coming out of it, but that one will. So when it comes to the pigtail ends of these, what I recommend is about 1 inch. Seems to work best with this stranded wiring that's already installed. So on this handy dandy stripper, you can see there's a 1, 3/4, 1/2, and 1/4. I think they come pre-stripped 1/2 inch, but again, I'm not using those because I need a little bit more slack. So 1 inch. So I just send it. Obviously pull these off. And I'm a right-handed person. I always turn everything to the right because righty-tighty. Same with twist these all together. Wrap it around your main wire and then put your wire nut on it as well, and you'll be good to go. So we got the difficult one finally installed. Looks pretty decent. Got this one as well. Gap's pretty decent. And then we've got this one installed. Got that centered, again, pretty decent. Still got to install this, 4-foot piece here, that piece, and then I'm going to put another one in here so you can see when you're washing your hands, cleaning paintbrushes and whatnots. So yeah, we getting there. Alrighty guys, got this last piece in, and let's do our unveil. Garage light. Boom. Oh yeah. That short one's just a little different color temperature. It's a little warmer. It's all right. It'll be fine. It's a short piece. And yeah. So now we can see here perfectly. This was one of my big complaints is couldn't see washing hands, and you couldn't see at my workbench either. So yeah, next stop in here will be some pegboard and cabinets. That'll be down the road a bit. We'll see. Probably a little bit. But yeah, so starting to look like something in here. I may do a video on all my NASCAR stuff and the history of my family and this truck right here and here, which I've actually have the fender in real life. Over here somewhere, actually signed by Bob Kozlowski himself. May do a story on that one day on how our family roots are in racing. But yeah, anywho, that's it for now, guys. Lighting upgrade, woohoo! Finally, much needed in here. Have something on the ground, I can find it, or can actually work on the razor or the vehicle in here because the shop's a wreck. And it's going to be a wreck until we start the loft. So yeah. So till next time, guys, stay trashy and feral. Like and subscribe.